And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Good morning, everyone. Here's a live look outside from our Sky 5 camera from South Padre Island. You can see some of the towering clouds in the distance as before the sun starts to rise. We have been seeing a few spotty showers earlier along the coast. And then later on today, there is that chance for some afternoon sea breeze showers or thunderstorms. So go to the map. Here is the radar looking quiet right now. Earlier, there were the showers moving through parts of coastal Willacy County and Kennedy County off to the northwest. We are in for another hot and humid day. And right now it is feeling warm outside and very muggy. Look at the humidity, 88%. We've got winds out of the east-southeast to 10 miles an hour. The temperatures are in the upper 70s in Weslaco, Harlingen, and Brownsville, lower 80s in McAllen. And for the kids, the temperature should be in the upper 70s before school, so the kids can wear short sleeves, but they may want to wear the reflective clothing. There is that chance for some patchy fog this morning. Please be careful when driving this morning. Mid-90s by the end of school. There is a slight chance, a 20% chance of a shower or a thunderstorm this afternoon. Well, the tropics are certainly very busy right now. Here is Hurricane Jose in the western Atlantic Ocean just off the coast of the mid-Atlantic U.S. Category 1 hurricane with maximum winds of 85 miles per hour. Now, even though Jose's center is expected to stay offshore, the effects will still be felt along the east coast of the U.S., mainly the high ocean swells and heavy surf. And with that in mind, tropical storm watches are in effect from Delaware all the way to New England. Jose is expected to turn to the northeast, weaken to a tropical storm, then a depression, and move back toward the south before dying out. Meanwhile, Hurricane Maria is approaching the Leeward Islands, and these are the same Leeward Islands that got socked by Irma, unfortunately, about a week or so ago. So here are the numbers. Maximum winds are 90 miles per hour. Category 1 hurricane moving to the west-northwest at 13 miles an hour. Hurricane watch is in effect for Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, both Virgin Islands. And look at this. Maria expected to become a major hurricane later on today or tonight. Forecast track takes it toward the west-northwest and then a turn toward the northwest. So Maria is not expected to affect the Gulf of Mexico. Let me show you the forecast spaghetti computer models, and these models, they pretty much agree on taking Maria toward the northwest, then a turn toward the north-northwest, perhaps into the western Atlantic Ocean. Well, back home in the valley, the hot and humid pattern will continue. Those winds from the surface will continue from the southeast, shown by the blue arrows, and this model hints at a chance of some spotty showers or thunderstorms, primarily for the lower and mid-valley by 3 o'clock this afternoon. Things should be quiet for the overnight hours. Once again, a slight chance perhaps for some showers and thunderstorms, according to the model, for tomorrow afternoon, and then about a 10% chance of rain for Wednesday. On the water, we'll have winds out of the southeast at 10 to 15 knots. The bay waters are moderate. Shop your next tide is a low tide at 8:40 this morning, and the seas will be 2 to 4 feet. Watch out for some spotty showers and thunderstorms in the water. So for today, rain chances are 20%. Beware of patchy morning fog when driving this morning. Temperatures are in the mid-90s for the highs, though we will probably see highs in the upper 90s to triple digits for places like McAllen, Edinburgh, and the Upper Valley. Then for tonight, it is a warm and muggy Monday night. Partly cloudy skies. Once again, a chance for some patchy late fog with lows in the upper 70s. And here's that 7-day forecast. Sadly, we have no cool fronts to talk about for this week as the highs continue in the mid to upper 90s each day, just hot and humid. 20% chance of a shower for tomorrow, back to a 10% chance of rain on Wednesday, and then we're back to a 20% chance of a shower or thunderstorm for your Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. In the morning, stay warm and muggy in the mid to upper 70s. That's your First Warn 5 forecast.